Hey everybody, it's Brian with Applied Fitness, and today I want to talk about the domino effect and how it can help or hinder you in your fat loss and fitness journey, because let's face it, small decisions add up to big results. So let me give you a scenario where one seemingly insignificant decision can affect the whole outcome of the day. So picture this: Monday morning, the alarm goes off at 5:30 a.m. and instead of just turning the alarm off and getting up and starting your normal routine, you hit snooze for a couple times. What happens? You end up snoozing a couple extra minutes, then you end up waking up frantically because you're running a little late. You still make it to the gym, you go through your routine, but since you were a little late, you didn't do your normal warm up, you didn't get your normal breakfast that you normally have, and so you're a little lethargic in the workout. So you don't use the weights you normally use a little bit less weights, and you have to cut the workout short because you're running late. No big deal, right? Insignificant. Fast forward a couple hours, come lunchtime, you're having your lunch, your normal healthy lunch, but today you grab a bag of potato chips. Again, it doesn't seem like a big deal. You eat your potato chips, and then a couple hours later, because you had that processed food, you had something you don't normally eat, you feel lethargic, you feel bloated, you need a pick-me-up. I'm gonna have a cup of coffee. So you go and get a cup of coffee, you add a little bit of cream, a little bit of sugar like you normally do, and what happens? We're off to the races. Because then the next step after that, you get home for dinner and instead of eating healthy, instead of eating the meal that you'd already prepared, you decide, let's just go out or let's just order in something quick and easy. And we know that quick and easy is never healthy. So what happens is that one insignificant thing in the morning kind of cascaded and propelled itself throughout the whole day, and it ends up your whole day is kind of shot. Second scenario: alarm goes off at 5:30 a.m. You turn the alarm right off. You wake up. You have a big glass of water. You have a little bit of protein. You go to the gym. You get your awesome workout in. You come home. You get ready. You have a little more protein. You have your healthy breakfast that you already prepared or thought about the night before, the day before. Day goes on. You get to lunch, you stick to your meal plan, you stick to your eating plan, you have the healthy lunch, you don't indulge in chips or anything that you weren't planning on. Therefore, you skip that mid-afternoon coffee with sugar and cream. Come dinner time, you're more likely to stick and have that healthy dinner that you'd planned all along. You eat your healthy dinner. After dinner, you go for a long walk with your dog or your spouse. You go to bed early so you can wake up the next day and do it all over again. You see how one decision has a domino effect. I'm Brian with Applied Fitness. Make that right decision. Be great.